it's me, Lake Curls. Welcome back to another video. And if you are new here, thank you so much for wandering your way over to my channel and watching my videos. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make DIY flaxseed gel. So 1, be ready to get really messy. 2, just be ready to get really messy. And 3, be ready to be amazed. Amazed. That's all I gotta say. So if that's what you want to watch, stay tuned. So of course we're gonna need some flax seeds. I bought these flax seeds at a regular supermarket. You want to get literally just regular seeds, not ground or anything, just regular flax seeds. And then you want to use a pot. Any size pot is really good, just really not too small. So now we're going to go ahead and add 2.5 cups of water to our pot. And then we're going to add about 1/4 cups of flax seeds to the water. So now we're going to go ahead and put the pot over medium heat and let it sizzle. So we're going to check back about 5 minutes, but as you can see, the consistency is very watery, so we're going to let it sit and bubble some more. So this is the consistency that you want. It almost looks like snot, so once you see snot, you know it's ready. So I didn't mention this in the supply slide, but you do need a sock, preferably a very thin sock. This sock was a little bit too thick for me. And we're just going to scoop all of the flaxseed and the gel into the cup. So as you can see, I'm struggling, so that's why you want a really thin sock. And this is the part that I said, it is very messy. It washes away easily, but it's very gooey and very messy. It's almost like slime, so it's kind of fun to make, but it really does not take that long to make it at all.